Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hero of War on guitar. Start with the G major chord, placing your middle finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Then, transition to C major, followed by E minor, and finally D major. Focus on clean, clear notes for each chord. This song uses a simple 4-chord progression throughout most of its structure, making it accessible for beginners. We'll cover the strumming pattern next. The primary strumming pattern for Hero of War is a simple down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and fluid. Practice this pattern slowly with each chord, ensuring a steady rhythm. The song's tempo is around 120 beats per minute, so aim for a consistent, moderate pace. This will help you keep time effectively. Hero of War follows a straightforward verse-chorus structure. The core chord progression of G, C, E minor, and D repeats for both the verses and the choruses. There's a slight variation in the bridge, where the progression might shift slightly before returning to the main sequence. Listen carefully to the original track to catch these subtle changes and ensure your timing is precise. Consistent practice is key to mastering Hero of War. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to working on the chords and strumming. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and help you maintain a steady rhythm. Finally, play along with the original recording to get a feel for the song's dynamics and overall flow. Enjoy playing this powerful song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.